How to create an invoice for a small business in Microsoft Excel. The first step is to open up Microsoft Excel. So just go ahead and open up Microsoft Excel on your computer. Start by opening up a blank workbook or using one of Microsoft's templates. Now, once you found an invoice template, you could go ahead and customize it. But seeing as we're starting with a blank workbook, we're going to proceed with that. So the next step now would be to go ahead and add your business information. So at the top of the invoice, enter your business details, such as the business name, a logo if possible, an address, and a phone number, as well as your email or website. This helps customers identify your business and know how to contact you. After that, you can go ahead and add customer details as well, such as the customer name, billing address, email, and phone number. And then you can go ahead and create the invoice header. So just go ahead and add the invoice information, such as an invoice number here, add an invoice number, add an invoice date, and also payment terms as well, and billing information if possible. So assigning unique invoice numbers makes it easier to track payments and organize your records. All right, so the next step is to just build your item table. So create a table for the products or services you're billing for. You could enter a description, a quantity, a unit price, and then to calculate the amount for each item here, just go ahead and enter this code that's going to appear on your screen. Just copy the formula down for additional rows. And then once you're done, you could just go ahead and calculate the total. So at the bottom of the invoice, calculate the subtotal, taxes if applicable, and the grand total. So you can use the sum function to total all your items. A code would be there for that as well. All right, and you could just add your payment information and just simply save and export the invoice as either a PDF or a Microsoft Excel sheet. All right, guys, that's how it's done.